Hello and welcome to this episode of Proactive's Just the Facts. I'm your host, Tyler Tully. Orthocell has completed a pivotal US FDA 510k regulatory study for its nerve repair product Rempla, validating its safety and efficacy in peripheral nerve surgery. In doing so, the company has cleared one of the final barriers in its journey towards US market clearance. Orthocell reports the study met all required endpoints, using a rat sciatic nerve model to demonstrate Rempla effectively regenerates nerves with outcomes comparable to an FDA-approved device. Key findings included restored motor and sensory functions, absence of adverse tissue reactions, and high-quality nerve regeneration within 12 weeks post-treatment. The company says it's thrilled with the results from the US regulatory study, validating the superior Rempla clinical outcomes previously published in a highly regarded peer-reviewed journal. The study results provide key data for the FDA submission to gain market clearance and start selling Rempla in the US. Orthocell believes Rempla will redefine the nerve repair market and become an important element in the success of nerve repair surgery. The company remains on track to submit its 510k application this month, with FDA clearance expected to follow in the first quarter of the new year. Upon approval, Orthocell plans to enter the lucrative $1.6 billion US nerve repair market. Rempla is already approved in Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore, with growing adoption by surgeons. The company holds cash reserves of approximately 33 million Australian dollars, supporting its commercial launch in the US and further global expansion. Orthocell has appointed US sales and medical affairs teams to facilitate its market entry and has plans to establish distribution partners following FDA clearance. Thanks for watching. These are just the facts.